Administrative and economic situation of the empire. Resources of Mughal Empire were overstressed and his struggle continued struggle in Deccan. The Mughal Rajput relations were at worst in past 2 centuries. Mughal central authority was moving toward Orthodox Islam. Jizya and Tirath Yatra Masul was already imposed on majority subjects in 1870 itself. Basha, Basha's continuous absence from Agra and Delhi made the central nobility selfish and corrupt. Agriculture was not more profitable and peasant revolt were more quite common. Reasons behind support for Satnami, Jat, Sikh uprising were usually economic distress. The Mughal War of Succession between 707 to 709 further degraded the finances of empire. Aurangzeb, Bahadur Shah, Jandar Shah, Ajam ul Shah killed Farooq Sian. Aurangzeb Alamgir passed away in 1707. Bahadur Shah 707 to 12, Jandar Shah 712 to 1713, Zulfikar Khan. Farooq Sian 1713 to 19, Sayyid brothers. Muhammad Shah Rangila 1719 to 48, Ahmad Shah Bahadur 1748 to 54, Alamgir II 1754 to 59, Shah Alam II 1760 to 1806, Akbar Shah II 1806 to 1837, Bahadur Shah II 1837 to 1857, Sepoy Mutiny 1857. Mansabdari. Mansabdar as a revenue collector maintain his own army. Mansabdari is a rank equal to Jat. Izaredari, bidding of revenue collection, led to the exploitation of peasantry. Bahadur Shah I, 1707 to 12, failed attempt to take over Rajputana, understanding neutrality with Amber, Jaipur and Marwar, Jodhpur. Released Shahu from Mughal confinement, caused succession crisis in Maratha Empire. When Sikhs tried to carve out state at Lohgad under Baba Banda Bahadur, he used extreme violence to curb them. Royal treasury has almost exhausted. Jahandar Shah 1712 to 13 resolved issues with Rajputs. Jai Singh of Amber made governor of Malwa. Ajit Singh, governor of Jijay, uh, reached settlement with Marathas, emphasized on Izara Dari system. Real power is with Wazir Zulfikar Khan. Bahadur Shah already emptied the Teshkhana. Farooq Siyar 1713 to 19. Jizya abolished, pilgrimage tax is removed because Sayyid brothers were Hindustani. Policy of religious tolerance. Real power Sayyid brothers, Abdullah Khan and Hussein Ali Khan Bahadur. Further understanding with Marathas allowed to collect taxes from 6 Mughal provinces in return of 15,000 cavalrymen. Chauth, Sardesh Mukhi. Farooq Siyar was not happy with Sayyid brothers' decision. Farooq Siyar inclined toward Irani lobby led by Nizam ul Mulk. Sayyid brother killed Farooq Siyar and appointed Muhammad Shah Rangila. Golden Farman Farooq Siyar, hereditary Subedari to Bengal. Muhammad Shah Rangila 1719 to 48 managed to stay in power by aligning with capable noblemen who in return of support take autonomy for their regions. Reassured hereditary Subedari to Murshid Quli Khan. Awadh under Saadat Khan, Hyderabad under Nizam ul Mulk. Saadat Khan and Nizam ul Mulk evolved as regional and autonomous regions. Carnatic got autonomy in 1732. Marathas started rising under Baji Rao first. 1732-40. Crisis Nadir Shah 1739. Ahmad Shah Abdali started invading area east of Indus. Nadir Shah 1739 Battle of Karnal. Why he attacked NCRT. Shah Alam II 1759 to 1806. He sat on the throne while degraded beyond scope of ever coming in name of Mughals. Third Battle of Panipat 1761 during his reign, aligned with Nawab of Awadh and Nawab of Bengal to fight Battle of Buxar. He signed Treaty of Allahabad 1763, Diwani rights to company, and became a prisoner and shifted to Allahabad. 1765 Treaty of Allahabad. Brought back in 1722 to Delhi by Marathas in 1803. British finally took over the city of Delhi in 1803. Muhammad Shah Rangila, essentially feature of his rule, managed to stay in power through seepage of power, alignment with European powers. Causes of decline of Mughal Empire. Neither Hindus nor Muslims formed any homogeneous community. Political alignment were more important. After 1880, Mughal resources were always overstretched, both militarily and economically. Post 1720s, continuous Maratha expansion reduced the Mughal influence. Doctrine of Mughal Rajput relation degraded. The foundational cornerstone of the Mughal Empire. Agriculture was no more providing surplus value. Peasants were getting impatient. Aurangzeb faced its outcome. Satnami Jat Sikh uprising. Post Aurangzeb, there was continuous instability at the very top. Instability impacted the character of nobility tax. They lost any sense of devotion towards the state of monarch. The paucity of Jagirs, major reason for dissatisfaction. Jagirdars reduced the actual desired quota of troops on the ground. This phase saw stagnation on scientific and technical development. There was no sense of nationalism towards the Mughal Empire. Aurangzeb's religion orthodox policies impacted outlook of majority subject towards the ruling Mughal elite. European had developed idea of nationhood, superior economic model, advanced scientific tools and efficient military. Final blow came from the foreign invasion, Nadir Shah invasion 1739 and Ahmad Shah Abdali spree of raids 1748 to 67. Portuguese. Portugal established her trading settlements at Cochin, Goa, Diu, and Daman. Portuguese intervened in the conflicts between ruler of Calicut and Cochin to establish their trading center and ports at Malabar coast. By threatening Mughal shipping, they also succeeded in securing many trading concessions from the Mughal emperor. Goa captured in 1510 under Alfonso de Albuquerque. Portuguese were intolerant and fanatical in religious matters. They indulged in forcible conversion, offering people the alternative of Christianity or the sword. Portuguese did not have to face the might of Mughal Empire as South India was outside Mughal influence. They clashed with the Mughal power in Bengal in 1631 and were driven out of their settlement at Hooghly. Their hold over Arabian Sea was already weakened by English and their influence in Gujarat had become negligible by this time. 1487 Bartholomew Diaz rounded Cape of Good Hope. 1498 Vasco da Gama at Calicut with 3 ships. Pilot Abdul Majid. Hindu ruler Jamurin. 1510 base at Goa by defeating Sultan of Bijapur. Use of Fetorius. Entry points and Carthage passes by Franco de Almeida, first used in 1502. Governors. Almeida, Blue Water Policy. making Portuguese master of Indian Oceans. Albuquerque, 1510, captured Goa, worked for abolition of sati. Nina de Cunha shifted headquarters from Cochin to Goa. 1692, battle at Swale, British versus Portuguese. 1636, tried to occupy Hooghly but Shah Jahan was there. 1662, Bombay as Dowry gift to English. Dutch. In 1602, the Dutch EIC was formed, and Dutch Parliament gave it a empowering to charter empowering to make war, conclude treaties, acquire territories, and build fortresses. They also established trading depots at Surat, Baroj, Cambay, Ahmedabad in West India, Nagapattinam in Madras, Masulipatinam in Andhra, Chinnasura in Bengal, Patna in Bihar, Agra in UP. In 1658, they also captured Ceylon from Portuguese factories. 1605 at Masulipatinam, 1616 Surat, 1759 Battle of Betara, aka Battle of Chinsura. Mir Jafar was included in the conspiracy at Bedara and hence dethroned. Dutch was made strategic alliance with English. First factory and second factory. Portuguese. Cochin में first factory 1500, second Pondicherry. British first Surat 1613, second Masulipatinam 1618. Dutch first Masulipatinam, second Surat 1616. Masulipatinam 1608. French Surat 1668 and Masulipatinam 1669. English Company in Indian subcontinent. 1580s, English naval powers came to prominence with Francis Drake voyages around the world and English victory on Spanish Armada 1588. 1599, a English trading company, Merchant Adventurer, was established. 1600, a company was granted trade rights charter by Queen Elizabeth. 1603, King James changed the trading right from eternity to 15 years. 1608, William Hawkins at the Red Jahangir's court asked for trading right but Mughal were hesitant because of Portuguese naval supremacy. 1612, Battle of Swale. English won against Portuguese. English company was given permission by a royal firman to open factories at several places on the west coast. 1611, prior to this, English already get permission to erect factory at Masulipatinam out of Mughal Empire. 1615, Thomas Roe, imperial firman to trade and establish factory in all parts of the country Mughal Empire. 1630, trading rights in Golconda for annual payment of 500 pagodas. 1639, EIC purchased land near Pulicat from Raja of Chandragiri. City of Madras was evolved around Fort St. George. Why Dutch at Nagapattinam? 1659, grant of Nishan by Shah Shuja, Mughal Subedar of Bengal. EIC was allowed to trade throughout Bengal for annual payment of 3000. 1661, Bombay as Dowry to English by Portuguese. English में Charles III और Portuguese में Catherine. Set group of 60 villages. 1668, Charles III leased the group of islands to EIC for £10 per annum. 1682 to 91, Anglo-Mughal War. Causes. EIC in 1682 was trying to fetch Bengal like trading for whole empire. So, trading terms for whole empire, Aurangzeb rejected. EIC conspired with Kingdom Marufiyu to seize Chittagong from Mughals. EIC was upset when separate trading rates were imposed for Assam. Triggering cause 1686 English pirate attack on Mughal ships. Ganj Sevai taking 1500 people to Hajj and ship was owned by sister of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb retaliated by seizing all English factories and besieging factory at Bombay. Issue got resolved by personal apology from British and payment of rupees 1,50,000. EIC assured Mughal ships of protection in high seas. Repercussion 1717 Golden Farman by Farooq Seer. 1720 Bombay was fortified and replaced Surat as headquarters of EIC on west coast. Farooq Seer 1713 to 19 ninth Mughal Emperor Golden Farman. No additional duties on companies export import beyond annual payments of rupees 3000 decided by Shah Suja. Allowed to issue dastaks, allowed to rent more land around they bought 38 villages, allowed to trade in duty-free fashion even in Hyderabad. The only places where they had to pay annual payment was Madras and rupees 10,000 in Surat. Allowed to have currency throughout the empire, mint coins in Bombay. In 1690s, EIC trade on west coast suffered because of ongoing Deccan crisis. William III of England personally wrote to Aurangzeb he allowed EIC to restart trade in east of Bengal. Mughal Subedar Azim Ush Shan was restructured to sell was instructed to sell jamindari of 3 villages to EIC Satnauti, Kalikat, Govindpura rupees 1200. Factory established those was called as Fort William. Hence Calcutta was established Chittapur, Satnauti, Kalikat, Govindpura. Internal organization of the company 1600 Charter 1603 King James I 15 years 1609 to 1676 Company gave loan of £17,000 to the crown kind of bribe. 1688 Glorious Revolution Parliament got supremacy. Company started bribing parliamentarian. Parliament became supreme body. Britain में हुआ था 1694 to 1708 other companies started facing parliamentarians to grant trade monopoly with the East. Companies did not cooperated. 1708 a new combined company formed British East India Company. 1707 Scotland has combined with England to make Great Britain. French company in India subcontinent. 1664 FEIC formed under state patronage. 1667 to 69 first French factory at Surat. 1669 factory at Masulipatnam. 1673 FEIC acquired a village from governor of Valikindapuram. Fort St. Louis was established here and it evolved into Pondicherry. 1674 got Chandranagar from Shashikta Khan factory in 1690. Got trading permission from Chhatrapati. 1697 Treaty of Ryswick ended the European crisis. 1736 Muhammad Shah Rangila allowed them to mint and issue silver and gold coins with Mughal stamp. 1742 Dupleix came as French governor. Hence, Anglo-French wars have started from 1756. 1746 British EIC. Surat was center till 1687. By 1623, EIC established factories at Surat, Bharuch, Ahmedabad, Agra, Masulipatnam. First quarter of 17th century. English opened their first factory in south at the Red Masulipatnam in 1611. Fort St. George at Madras 1639. Fort St. William at Calcutta 1698. In eastern India, English company had opened its first factory in Odisha in 1633. In 1651, it was given permission to trade at Hooghly. Keywords: Qazi, a judge; Mufti, a jurist of Muslim community responsible for expounding the law that the Qazi would administer. Musket, a heavy gun used by infantry soldiers. Matchlock, an early type of gun in which the powder was ignited by a match. यूरोपियन सेटलमेंट्स इन 1498 टू 1739। तो इसमें हम जो इंग्लिश सेटलमेंट है वो हुगली 1658, कलकत्ता यहाँ पे आपका कलकत्ता पे 1690, हुगली यहाँ हो गया। उसके बाद सूरत यहाँ पे 1612, उसके बाद आपका बॉम्बे 1638, मद्रास 1639, ठीक। और इसके बाद हम देखते हैं पोर्टुगीज सेटलमेंट, तो वो भी आपका हुगली 1537 में था। और यहाँ दमन पे था 1558, दीव पे 1535, बैसिन पे 1533, बॉम्बे 1533, गोवा 1510, कन्नूर 1501, कोचिन 1500, नागापट्टनम 1507, त्रिकोमेल 1522। श्रीलंका में तो कई जगह था। फ्रेंच सेटलमेंट देखा जाए तो चंद्रनगर 1675, उसके बाद आपका यनम 1725, माहे 1725, पौंडीचेरी 1674, आपका करिकल 1739। उसके बाद अगर हम देखें डच सेटलमेंट, तो डच थे यहाँ चिंसूरा में 1625, और आपके मसूलीपट्टनम में थे 1616, पुलिकट में थे 1600, और नागापट्टनम में थे 1658। डैनिश देखा जाए तो थे सरमपोर में 1675, ठीक। इसके बाद हम वापस आते हैं इंडियन स्टेट एंड सोसाइटी 18th century मुगल एम्पायर डिसइंटीग्रेशन। Rajput in the 18th century, Bahadur Shah first tried to take over Rajput region but soon realized his military limitations and maintained neutrality. After 1712, Raja Ajit Singh of Jodhpur was given Subedari of Gujarat. He annexed Nagaur from Mughal. In 1713, Raja Jai Singh was given Subedari of Malwa. In 1722, Jai Singh was made Subedar of Agra. He annexed Bundi. In 1780, Rajput reduced to regional level due to Maratha might. Bajirao won. 1720 to 48. Kerala. 18th century Kerala consisted of Calicut under Jamorin, Cherakal, Cochinor and Travancore. Travancore rose to prominence after 1729 under Martand Verma. He curbed the rebellion of local feudatories of Quillan and Eladam and defeated the Dutch and ended their political presence in Kerala. He organized his army on western lines and focused on modern arsenal. He undertook many irrigation projects, built road and canal for communication, and gave encouragement to foreign trade. By 1763, present-day Kerala had only three big states: Cochin, Travancore, and Calicut. The crisis with Mysore started with Hyder Ali coming to power. Rise and fall of Jats. 95% agriculturalist. 1668 to 1688. Initially revolted against Mughals in the Jat state of Bharatpur was get up Chudeman and Badan Singh. Between 1756 to 63, they reached their glory under Suraj Mal. His territory extended between Ganga in east, Agra in west, Delhi in north, and Chambal in south. Rohillas and Bangash Pathan. During the reign of Farooq Siyar and Muhammad Shah Bangash established himself in Farooqabad. He controlled the region between the Aligarh and Kanpur. In aftermath of Nadir Shah's invasion of 1739, Ali Muhammad Khan carved out a territory in Rohilkhand between Ganga and Kumaon hills. Awadh, 1722. Burhan-ul-Mulk Saadat Khan became Subedar of Awadh. Province was unstable. Many Jamindar established their own militia and were not paying any taxes. Saadat Khan had to spend from his pocket to curb rebellions. In 1723, he carried out fresh revenue settlement. He converted the province into the hereditary Subedari and was succeeded by Safdarjung, his nephew, because Mughal Wazir in 1748. Became Mughal Wazir in 1748, Safdarjung's nephew. fought against Rohilas and Bangash Pathans with the help of Maratha and Jats. He even reached an understanding with the Maratha Peshwa in 1753 to get security assurance for Delhi against Durrani attack in exchange for a one-time payment of 50 lakh and chauth rights from Ajmer and Sindh. Social and economic condition of people. 18th century India was not able to maintain progress at either economic, social or cultural pace. Indian villages were mostly self-sufficient. Under Mughal India imported and exported items. Imported pearl, raw silk, wool, dates, dried fruits, rose water, coffee, gold, drugs, honey, tea, sugar, musk, woolen cloth, tin, spices, perfume, ivory, copper, iron, lead, and paper. Exported raw silk and silk fabrics, hardware, indigo, saltpeter, opium, rice, wheat, pepper, and other spices, precious stone, and drugs. India still remained center for manufacturing cotton and silk fabrics, sugar, jute, dyestuff, minerals, and metallic products like arms, metalware, and saltpeter and oils. Socio-cultural life. Huge difference between lifestyle of upper and lower class. Caste was the central feature of Hindu social life. There was restriction on interdining among members of different castes. Caste regulations were strictly enforced by caste council and panchayats. Muslims were no less divided. They were divided into Shia and Sunni factions. The Irani, Afghani, Turani, and Hindustani Muslim nobles and officials stood apart from each other. The newly converted Muslim usually took the caste practices along, and hence caste system entered Muslim society too. Education. It was defective, out of touch. It was confined to literature, law, religion, philosophy, and logic. It excluded study of physical and natural science, technology, and geography. There was total lack of rational and factual study of society. Center of higher education were based on Sanskrit learning and was confined to Brahmins usually. Persian, being the official language of state, was equally popular among Hindus and Muslims. Elementary education among Hindus through village schools, among Muslims through Maulvis in maktabs. Crisis usually remained illiterate. Situation of women. Girls usually remained illiterate. Girls say. Situation of women. Except Kerala, rest of India was patriarchal. Dowry practiced in Bengal and Rajputana. Dowry, it was curbed in Deccan due to steps taken by Peshwa. Custom of sati and condition of widow were social evil prevalent. Although sati remained unknown to people in south, widow remarriage prevalent among non-Brahmins in Deccan, Jats and hilly regions of north. Raja Savai Jai Singh of Amber and Maratha General Parshuram Bhau tried to promote widow remarriage but failed. British conquest of India. Bengal, most fertile and richest province. Export from Bengal to Europe consisted of saltpeter, rice, indigo, pepper, sugar, silk, cotton, textile, handicraft. 60% of British imports from Asia consisted of goods from Bengal. EIC factories at the Red Balasore, Hooghly, Kasim Bazar, Patna, Dhaka. 1690s foundation of Calcutta by EIC. Battle of Plassey, fought in 1757 in Plassey, West Bengal on Bhagirathi River. Causes. British victory of Carnatic has already made Siraj ud Dowlah apprehensive of growing power of EIC. Fortification of Calcutta without Nawab's permission. Robert Clive versus Siraj ud Dowlah. After Fort William surrender on June 20, 1757, Siraj confined 146 British prisoners in a small dungeon in Calcutta. Black Hole tragedy. A strong force under the Clive was sent from Madras to overthrow Nawab and strengthen British position in Bengal. Treaty of Alinagar. Nawab had to restore to English their former privileges to trade, grant permission to fortify Calcutta and even pay compensation amount for losses suffered by British. After the Battle of Plassey, Clive proclaimed Mir Jafar as the Nawab of Bengal and placed him on throne of Murshidabad. Consequences: Mir Jafar as Nawab, Clive as Governor of Bengal, Company free trade in Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Jamindari of 24 Parganas. All French settlement in Bengal were surrendered to English. Battle of Buxar 1764. EIC under Hector Munro versus Mir Qasim, Shujauddaulah, Shah Alam II. Mir Qasim, Nawab of Bengal, Shujauddaulah, Nawab of Awadh, Shah Alam II, Mughal Emperor. Causes: armies of Nawabs and Mughal Emperor attacked EIC but defeated by English forces. Result: Treaty of Allahabad. Treaty of Allahabad 1765. First treaty with Nawab of Awadh and Kara by Nawab of Shah Alam II. By Nawab to Shah Alam II. War indemnity. Balwant Singh, the Jamindar of Banaras, was given full control of his estate. Second treaty with Shah Alam. Emperor asked to reside at Allahabad under the company's protection. Diwani of Bengal, Bihar, Odisha granted to EIC. Rupees 50 lakh by Mughal Emperor to company in return of Nijamat function. 1765 to 72. Dual system of government. Company, Diwani and Nijamat. Diwani collecting revenue exercised by Diwan. Nizamat police and judicial functions by company nominated deputy subedar. Nawab responsible for peace order but dependent for funds or forces from company. Company appointed two deputy diwans for exercising diwani functions. Muhammad Reza Khan, Raja Sitoy Rai from Bihar. The dual system of governance was finally abolished by Warren Hastings in 1772. First Carnatic War 1746-48. Capturing Madras by French. Attack on Pondicherry by British. Battle of St. Thom in Madras, French versus Anwaruddin plus British. Retreat of British. Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Madras given back to British. Quebec to French. The war was primarily notable in India as first military experience of Robert Clive. Room Wali story. Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle, also known as Treaty of Aachen. Second Carnatic War 1749-54. Fight for commercial supremacy. French attacked Arcot, counter-attack by British. Battle of Amber. Hyderabad or Carnatic. Hyderabad, MJ, NG. Carnatic, Anwar or Chand. Dupleix made alliance and defeated and killed Anwar. 1754, Dupleix recalled and replaced by Godechu. Treaty of Pondicherry. British favoured candidate Muhammad Ali Khan Walla as new Nawab. Chanda French 80 villages. Muzaffar Jung 20 lakh rupees. Third Carnatic War 1758-63. Europe 7 Years War 1756-63. 175% seizing of Chandranagar, Bengal by Clive. 1757 sieging of Chandranagar, Bengal by Clive. June 1757 French governor Count de Lely attacked Fort St. David, Pondicherry. 1757 Place English has already won. 22 January 1760 Battle of Vendée Wash. Defeat of French. 1773 End of 7-Year War. Treaty of Paris. French possessions in India made protectorate. No fortification allowed. No standing army. French confined only to few areas. Chandranagar and Pondicherry were returned to French. First Anglo-Maratha War 1775-1782. For becoming Peshwa, Raghunath Rao will do Treaty of Surat 1775. Salsette and Basin to English, parts of revenue from Surat and Bharuch district. But Regulating Act 1773. Calcutta Council government supervisory powers over Bombay, Madras, so rejected. Colonial upon up to Pune, colonial uptown to Pune. Treaty of Purandar, Calcutta Council 1776. Raghunath Rao pension revenue of Salsette barrows to British. Treaty was not liked by Bombay and Pune Darbar. Nana Fadnavis violated treaty by granting French port. Battle of Adas. British versus Maratha. 1779 Treaty of Vendegon. Again Calcutta Council got angry. Warren Hastings rejected treaty. Attack on Gwalior. Treaty of Salwai 1712. Salsette continued to be with English territory conquered since the Treaty of Purandar restored to Maratha. In Gujarat, Fateh Singh Gaikwad, Peshwa, as before, no support to Raghuba. Hyder Ali uh, returned all territory from British and Nawab of Arcot. English trade rights. Mazdi Sindhia mediator. No support to other POW. Prisoner of war. Second Anglo-Maratha War 1803 to 6. Bajirao II, Raghuba's son, killed Holkar prince and fled to English. Treaty of Basayan 1802. Peshwa subsidiary alliance. Peshwa to receive 6,000 infantry. Ceded to company the territories yielding 20 lakh. Surrender the city of Surat. To give all claims for Chauth. Not to keep in his employment Europeans of any nation at war with English. Different treaties. Bhosle of Nagpur. Battle of Aragaon. Treaty of Devgaon 1803. Sindhia of Gwalior. Battle of Ase and Larwari. Treaty of Surjagaon 1803. Holkar of Indore. Treaty of Rajpur Ghat. James Grand Duff states Nana Fadnavis, the Maratha Machiavelli. Third Anglo-Maratha War 1817 to 18, known as Pindari War. Charter Act 1813, monopoly only in tea and China, so only annexation. Killing of Gaikwad's ambassador by the minister of Peshwa. English resident asked Peshwa to hand over culprit. Peshwa retreated. Attack by English on Pune. Treaty of Pune, June 1817. Dissolving of Maratha Confederacy and abolished the Peshwaship. In November 1817, Treaty of Gwalior with Sindhia. January 1818, Treaty of Mandsaur with Holkar. First Anglo-Mysore War 1767 to 69. Nizam Hyderabad plus British plus Maratha versus Mysore Hyder. Surprisingly, Hyder Ali won this battle. Treaty of Madras, April 1769. Exchange of prisoners. Hyder Ali and English promised help each other in case of attack by any other power. Second AWM, 1780 to 84. Britishers did not came to aid Hyder Ali when attacked by Marathas in 1771. British attacked French port Mahe so that no supply between French and Hyder, but port was important for Mysore. Battle of Porto Novo. In 1781, Ayr defeated Hyder Ali. 1782, Hyder Ali dies. War carried by Tipu. Treaty of Mangalore, 1784. Gave back territories. It was the last occasion when an Indian power dictated terms on company on same footing. Third Anglo-Mysore War, 1789 to 92. Tipu, Mysore plus French versus AIC Maratha plus Hyderabad plus Travancore. Treaty of Seringapatnam. 1792, half of the Mysore territory was taken over by victors. 3.6 crore as war guilt, 2 sons as hostage. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War 1799 Napoleon till Egypt. Wellesley subsidiary alliance but rejected by Tipu. Mysore attacked by Nizam East British South. Tipu dies at Sengapatnam. A puppet king from old Vodya dynasty installed at seat Krishna Raja III. Policies. Policy of ring fence. Warren Hastings. Protecting neighbors' frontiers in order to protect own lands. EIC struggle against Marathas and Mysore mirrored this. Subsidiary alliance. By Lord Wellesley from 1798 to 1805, French Governor Dupleix was the first person to utilize it. Aim: prevent French revival, Napoleon's threat, expand EIC's influence. Features: under the system, ruler of allied Indian state was required to approve the permanent stationing of under the system ruler of allied Indian state was required to approve the permanent stationing of a British force within his territory to pay a subsidy for its maintenance under subsidiary alliance plan. Indian king had to disband his own military forces and accept British forces in his area. If he did not pay, a section of his land would be taken away from him and given to the British. In exchange, the British promised to protect the Indian states from any foreign attack or internal uprising. Any other country could not form any alliance with the Indian state. Without British sanction, there were no political ties within Indian states. A British resident was also stationed at the court. States which accepted an alliance: Nizam of Hyderabad 1789 to 1800, Mysore 1799, Tanjore 1799, Hyderabad 1801, Peshwa 1801, Bhosle 1803, Sindhia 1804, Jodhpur, Bundi, Jaipur, Bharatpur 1818, Machedi 1818, Holkar 1818 last. Doctrine of lapse by Dalhousie 1848 to 1856 by annexation policy. Any princely state under the direct or indirect control of EIC where the ruler did not have a legal male heir would be annexed by the company. No adopted heir would be eligible for acquiring the throne but would only be eligible to inherit the prince's personal assets and properties. In 1824, the princely states of Kittur was seized by British EIC. Under this policy, well before the governance of Lord Dalhousie. Annexed states: Satara 1848, Jhansi Nagpur 1854, Jaipur Bundelkhand Sambalpur Bhagat MP, Awadh 1856 on ground of misgovernance. Policy of masterly inactivity. John Lawrence: do not interfere till peace not disturbed and other powers not involved. Sher Ali wants successorship. Fight without interference. Policy of proud reserve. Lytton: it was aimed at having scientific frontiers and safeguarding the sphere of influence.